Hello friends, if you're a part of the family, welcome back. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I have not been able to hop on in here and film some videos for you guys for maybe a week and a half. I've been traveling with my husband, and so yeah, I am really sorry, but it's fine. Let's get to it. Today's video is going to be kind of fun because yes, it is a box called the Lookfantastic box, which was sent my way, and I want to do an unboxing with you guys. This was sent my way by them. I did not purchase this, but I'm really excited because it's a lot of hair products in here, and the worth or the value of this box, I think it's like 90 or 95 bucks, and the price is $35, but I have a code, which I'm gonna put right here below, that if you want to check it out, you follow the link below to their site, and if you use that code, you'll get $10 off, which means you only pay $25 for 95 bucks worth of hair products. So I'm really excited about unboxing this with you guys. I literally just got it today, and I'm really excited about it. So let's jump right into it. Like I said, this is what it looks like right over here. And I'm gonna go through each product. I have my little iPad here with the product and their worth, and we're gonna tally up to see what is actual worth of this box. Okay, so it's really pretty. It's a subscription box. Obviously, I do have the Ipsy subscription, which I love and I've shared with you guys before, and this one's a new one. I haven't heard of this one honestly before they had contacted me. So but when I saw it and I saw the product, I was like, I definitely want to get on board and trying it. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you first open it. It has a little flyer here, a little pamphlet that tells you actually, all the products that we are getting, and their worth. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. So let me just put away my iPad because I was gonna get all this information from my iPad. But I don't need it anymore because I got my little booklet here. Okay, so again, it's called the Lookfantastic Beauty Box, and this is the Hero Edit Limited Edition for June 2021. I know I'm filming this June 18th, so obviously it's been out for a few days, a couple weeks, but either way, super excited. And I got the B box. This is the B version. So over here there's a little B. I'm guessing there's more than one version. I got the B version. Let's go ahead and open it. Really pretty. Has some pretty tissue paper. I'm already liking what I'm seeing. Okay, so let's go through here and be a little organized. All right, so first product that I'm going to take out. Wow, this is a full-size product. Look, this is the Scene Blowout Cream Deluxe 5 ounces. The retail price for this is $24. Okay, and it says body bounce, control and shine, get serious blowout results and memory without clogging pores or compromising skin with this dermatologist designed non-comedogenic, I don't know how to read, blow dry styling product. Your hair will be protected from heat, pollution and UV damage, and giving it a beautiful shine. Wow, okay, and it says I'm supposed to apply dime to quarter size amount to my damp hair, roots to ends, blow dry, or heat as I want. Okay, let's see how it smells. It smells really good, refreshing. I'm gonna get some all over me. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Okay, that's what it looks like. And I'm gonna put some on my hair just because I don't want to put it on my skin. Actually, it could serve as a lotion. It smells really good. Okay. The second one is a spray. It's the Ambu Curl Energizing Hydration Serum. All right, it's 3.3 ounces and the retail price is 13 bucks. This lightweight hydrating serum unleashes and enhances your natural curl pattern. Good, because I got curls. Protecting against humidity for a longer lasting curl definition without frizz. It absorbs instantly into hair to pump, define from the inside out. I'm super excited about this. Smooth through, so how to use it. Smooth throughout, clean damp hair, focusing on the ends. You can also use on dry hair while styling it for extra smoothness. I'm so gonna try this right now. It's wrapped up. There you go. So I'm usually the girl that, like, if it's not break it, don't fix it type of thing. Like if I have a product that I like, I'll stick to it. But since these were kind of send my way, I'm really excited about using them. So this is what it looks like. And here's the pump. Right there. And this I will kind of put up my hair. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. It smells so good. How do I look? Okay, sorry, my hair gets in my way, like in my face, and I have to pull it back. All right, so I'm super excited for trying this one out. All right, number 3 is the Olaplex number 3. It's a third product and it's number 3. So this is the, let's see, number 3 Deluxe Pro, size, which is only 20 mLs. I love this product. When I blow dry my hair, this is the product that I use for styling it, because it really does smooth out my hair and the blow dry lasts longer, I think, and it really controls the frizz. So I love that this is like a sample size that I can take with me when I travel. But it says this is a concentrated treatment, reduces breakage and visibly strengthens hair by repairing damage and protecting hair structure, restoring a healthy appearance to the texture. The price for this is $8.50 because the big one is 30 bucks, okay? Use once a week or 2 to 3 times a week for damaged hair. Apply on damp, towel dry hair from scalp to ends until hair is saturated smoothly. Leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes, longer if desired. Rinse from hair, shampoo and condition as usual. Oh, I don't think this is the one that you leave in. I have the number 6. This is the number 3. This is the mask, which I have never used, and I'm really excited about trying it. I lie, I had the number 6, not the number 3. Sorry about that. But yeah, so it's a small sample, right? But still, the product is really good, so I can't wait to try it. All right, moving right along, the number 4 product is this guy over here, and this is the Christoph Robin Salt Scrub. This retails for $8.48. This sea salt scrub is an effective natural exfoliator that cleanses, removes impurities, and restores balance to scalp. Okay, so the rest of the products are for your hair, this is for your scalp. The grains stimulate microcirculation in the scalp to supply the maximum amount of nutrients to the hair, restoring optimal hydration levels for refreshed, shiny, clean hair. So this is probably something obviously I will use in the shower. Use it as a shampoo, by applying a small amount to wet hair. Delicately massage the scalp, concentrating on the nape of the neck. Add a small amount of water, lather, then rinse thoroughly. So this could be like a shampoo. All right, it's a scrub. Let's smell it. This smells really good. It smells like a man's cologne, but like a yummy man's cologne. And this is what it looks like. All right, can't wait to try that out. Number 5. All right, number 5 is this guy over here. This is Alterna. It is a caviar anti-aging restructuring bond repair conditioner. It's a mini, and this retails for $12. This little thing, wow, must be really good. Perfect for straight, wavy, curly, coiled, or tightly coiled hair. All right, it's supposed to be a conditioner to formulate it with caviar bond enforcing technology. After cleansing, massage throughout wet hair, then rinse thoroughly to repair and protect hair. All right, this is what it looks like. It's closed. I don't know if I want to open it. I could just try it in the shower. I love how it concluded a shampoo and a conditioner. I thought that's great. All right, number 6 is this guy over here. So this is a peppermint, well, it's called Philip B Peppermint Avocado Shampoo. So we're getting another shampoo. Nice. Deluxe size, which is 2 fluid ounces, and this retails for $15. Oh my gosh, it's so small, but hey, I guess it's that good. It says shake well and apply to wet hair and scalp. Massage in your fingertips with your scalp. Leave for 1 to 2 minutes. So it has peppermint oil and 16 plant extracts. supposed to be good for your scalp as well. All right, scalp invigorator volumizing for all hair types. Excited. This is super cool. I'm excited for this. So number 7 is actually the original mini in pink bubble gum tangle tweezers. It's supposed to be to help you detangle your hair. All right, this is a full-size product and it retails for $10 and is, let's see, using Tangle Teaser's patent 2-tiered regular flex technology. This travel-friendly brush removes tangles and reduces breakage, so you'll have a smooth, frizz-free hair anywhere you go. After towel drying your hair, start by detangling the ends. I usually do that when I detangle my hair or my daughter's hair. We'll try at the ends and work your way up until you can easily brush through the roots. This is exciting. So this is the original mini. So let's see. Okay, let's open it. Why do they make these so hard to open? Oh, here we go. It looks like a normal brush. Like, you know, it has like the little brush side or the teeth, I guess. But, you know what? I would love to look at the reviews to see if it really does work or what the deal is with this. But either way, I'm excited to try it. And the very last thing over here is this guy. It's the Hush and Hush Deep Rooted Supplement. There's 4 capsules in here. Oh my gosh, they look like little pills, or they feel like little pills. And this retails for $6. This hair health supplement, oh, I take it like I drink it. I'm thinking here I have to open them and put them on my hair. What are pills for? They're for you to take by mouth. Okay, this hair health supplement harnesses the power of proven vitamins, minerals, botanicals, and patent ingredients to stop thinning hair and hair loss. It combats causes of age, nourishing the follicles, and promotes scalp health for strong and healthy hair. Take 4 capsules daily. Oh my word, I have such a hard time swallowing pills. My kids can tell you. This is gonna be hard. So I have to take 4 capsules daily, preferably with a meal or as recommended by a physician. Oh my word. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna take them. I have a hard time swallowing things and I don't know how big they are. Let's see how big they are. Let's open it to see how big they are. Let's see here. Oh yeah, I can't swallow these. These are pretty big for me. Look at that. Like I said, I have a hard time swallowing it, but they are little capsules that I guess I could just open up and maybe put in some water and drink it. Hopefully they don't taste that bad. But you do have to take 4 of them a day, and I have a hard time even swallowing one, so we'll see if that even happens. But either way, maybe I could just give it to a friend or somebody who wants to try them out. All right, so let's do the final countdown of how much all of these things, or the value of all these things. All right, so the final value for this box is actually $96.98, so almost $100 worth of products. New products I probably wouldn't have tried out if they hadn't sent it my way, and I'm really excited about trying them out. I mean, you know, if they work and they get the job done, then I might repurchase them. So again, I have a code called Annie10. I'm gonna go ahead and put that link below. If you go into the website, which I will also link below, if you wanna try out this box, it does cost $35 for almost $100 worth of products, but you will be getting it for $25 if you use my code. So yeah, guys, if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. And I'm excited to try these products, like I've said a million times. All right, again, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget, our only hope in life and death is in Christ Jesus. Stay tuned for a few messages from myself. Love you all, and I will see you on my next video. Bye. Hello guys, first of all I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch my videos. I take the time and effort to edit them, to film them, so it means the world to me that you guys stop by to check them out, so thank you. I have a few messages to share with you guys. They won't take long at all, I promise. So number one is I accept prayer requests. So if you are going through something or you just are in need of prayer, go ahead and contact me. You can either leave a message below or you can email me. I am on Facebook, but I don't check my Facebook Messenger that often, but I do my Instagram. So you can either contact me through Instagram, email, or comment below, and I will pray for you. Me and my family will be praying for you. Number two, if you are on social media, especially on Instagram, you should totally be following me. And the reason why is because I post a lot more content over there than I do actually here on YouTube. I share with you guys pictures of my family, especially in the Insta stories. I share recipes, everyday life, and just a lot more content. So if you are on there and also on Facebook, go ahead and follow me. And number three, if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, go ahead and do so now and hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. We have so much fun here and we would love to have you join our family. I post Mondays, or I do my best to post Bible studies or Bible content Mondays and Wednesdays, and then Fridays is for my girls out there. I do makeup reviews, hauls, I do so many fun things, recipes, videos with my kids. So we have a lot of fun and we would love to have you on board. All right guys, so that's about it. Short and sweet. Thank you so much for tuning in as well. Don't forget, our hope in life and death is in Christ Jesus. Love you all, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.